My name is Matthew Matera. I'm the Chief Design Officer and founder of TENCO Solar Incorporated. My father had a very small business of his own. It was a one-man roofing company. I thought, just growing up, that eventually I was going to be a roofer. That's just what my dad did. That's just what I thought I was going to be. And about 16, I was getting ready to graduate from high school, and I told my dad, okay, so I'm going to be able to work for you full time now. And he kind of looked at me dumbfounded and going, I want something better for my son. And so I was kind of stuck as, looking for something else that I really wanted to do. The only other thing I really wanted to do was alternative energy. So I worked my way into running a crew and took all the classes and education and read all the books I could on solar electric. I was finding that the company that I was working for, even though I was happy and liked the company, the customers were not happy. They were not getting a good experience. So decided to start my own company in order strictly just to give the customer a better experience.
I'm Dan McIntyre, and I'm the president of TENCO Solar. My history starts actually as a customer. I was looking to invest in solar a few years back after being in my home for a couple of years, and I came across a couple of companies, but TENCO Solar and my experience with Matt really stuck out. And he came to the house, explained the whole proposition to me, explained how the solar system was going to work, and I knew nothing at the time about solar, and just the time and the care he put into those discussions resonated with me and my wife.
Started the company, named it TENCO Solar. At the time, I already had 2 daughters, Erin and Tracy, and I was trying to think of something clever, a perfect 10. I wanted my customers to have a perfect 10 experience. So I'm thinking TENCO. During that phase, we decided to have another child. My youngest child's named Noah, completed the N for TENCO, and the rest is history.